Hi guys, welcome to Joe and Marco Adventure Time Bonfire Night Special. He's Joe, I'm Marco, and as I said, it's a Bonfire Night Special.
Yes.
Indeed. So, basically we're just going to talk about where Bonfire Night came from. And it originated, as most of you guys probably know, with Guy Fawkes, who is essentially just a terrorist trying to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Using, like, I think it's something like 53 barrels of gunpowder or something like that. But basically he just wanted to kill some royalty or parliamentaries or something.
He wanted to blow up Parliament.
Yeah, basically. And so that's where Bonfire Night came from. The fireworks are very pretty, as the moon is behind us. But one thing they are not pretty than is my beautiful, beautiful girlfriend.
And obviously my beautiful, beautiful other half, which is our executive producer, which does a brilliant job in what she does.
She sucks at cameraman though.
Anyway, to do with fireworks and loud noises, pets do not like them. Hence, improv, the dog. The dog does not like loud noises. Obviously,
Look into the camera. Look into the projector voice.
it's your show time. They don't like loud noises. Best to keep them inside. Shut the curtains if you can to stop flashing lights. Comfort them. Stay near them all night. And that's it really. That's all I can really think of.
Or if in your bathroom you have like a little fan thing, then just put that on and your dog will probably take comfort in there, or cat or anything like that. Make sure all cats are in as well. You've pretty much done both parts because you included Sasha as well.
Oh, haha.
Right, so 5 is make sure if you have a bonfire. I know it. If you have a bonfire, like, I know we're all late. So if you had a bonfire, hopefully you would have checked for hedgehogs, as bonfires are usually made of like sticks and stuff, sticks and basically anything woodlandish.
Yeah.
And hedgehogs love that shit. So you guys better check, otherwise Sonic the Hedgehog will kill you.
Yes.
And I will kill you as well.
Yes. And also to do with when having litter about after the bonfires have been put out, just make sure that you just keep them, make sure they are fully put out and that you have all the litter picked up, otherwise it will reignite. You don't want that. Also just stay safe to do with sparklers and stuff, wear gloves, have an arms width apart. Don't know how many meters it is to be apart from fireworks, but take a good,
2-3 meters at
2-3 meters back and stay safe.
Unless you're a suicidal idiot as well, don't light a firework in your hands, and do not, I repeat, do not point them towards other people, and that is just plain stupidity.
And have a good bonfire night. hardcore.
gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup. Cause I'll make you ugly as soon as it drops. We're on a rampage. Bubbles popping up before you know it. This rolling up, this will be pushing it up. Somebody say This one's feeling like a straight 10 on the Richter scale, you know. Yeah. Fire, fire. We got to set this place on fire. We're
You're looking the wrong way.
There you go, so that.